The Filipino word dahan-dahan means slowly or gently. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan lang ang pagmamaneho niya. It means that his or her driving is just slow or careful. Dahan-dahan is slow or careful. Maneho is like drive niya is he or she, his or her. Dahan-dahan lang ang pagmamaneho niya. Dahan-dahan mong ilagay ang baso sa mesa. It means put the glass on the table gently. So lagay means to like put her to place. And then a baso is a glass and then mesa is the table. Dahan-dahan mong ilagay ang baso sa mesa. Naglakad siya ng dahan-dahan sa ulan. It means that he or she walked slowly in the rain. Naglakad, lakad means like walk. Naglakad is the past tense. Siya is he or she and then ulan is the rain. Naglakad siya ng dahan-dahan sa ulan. Dahan-dahan mong ipaliwanag ang mga detalye. It means explain the details slowly. Dahan-dahan slowly mo is you. And then ipaliwanag means to explain and then detalye is the detail. And then mga here is the plural marker. So dahan-dahan mong ipaliwanag ang mga detalye. And that is all for our Filipino word, dahan-dahan, which means slowly or gently. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan.